Today we'll be dropping a coconut from the Yuneec Typhoon H. So what we're going to do is, here's the two landing gears, and then we have a coconut attached to a stick. It's taped to the stick. We're going to fly it up, and then we're just going to hit the landing gear as retractable landing gears. So we're going to hit the landing gear switch, and then it's going to drop, and we'll see how it looks. Go. There it goes. Wow. So this is the impact. We dropped it from 331 feet. There's coconut all over the area. Here's the outer skin over here. Pieces probably flew like 20 feet away. Pretty cool. All right, here's test 2. The Home Depot stick we were using, nowhere to be found, so we're using a clothes hanger. We're just gonna put it on the back of the landing gears, and we're gonna drop it. So let's go. Three, two, one, drop. Oh. 2, 1, drop. Oh. So that was the second drop. There's the coconut, there's the tape, there's what's left of the hanger. It's just pieces of coconut everywhere. Flew probably about 20 feet in every direction. Pretty fun.